Well, hey there, it's Vicky Marie, and it is Christmas Eve, Vlogmas Day 24, and today's going to be a short video. Everybody's busy. I've been in the kitchen finishing up the chicken enchiladas and things that we're going to use for our dinner, and doing some more meal prep. But John has been really busy, and I'm going to go take the camera over, show you what he has done, because his work is the most important work of all. So let's go check it out. All right, John, let's see. What have you been doing today?
Well, pretty much you have to destroy the box to get to the final clues. But yeah, once you get it, there's a lot of other things you have to do. You have to cut part of the box open and tear it open. And then once you finally get to the solution of Christmas Eve, you push the red button. And ultimately what happens is you are in a snow globe. That's why the giants seem like giants, because everybody was, the whole North Pole, as part of their security system, was transformed into a snow globe. So it miniaturized everybody, including Santa Claus.
Okay, so everybody's in a snow globe.
That was the security system.
Oh, okay.
To hide everything into a snow globe.
Okay.
So then to undo the snow globe, you had to get to day 24 and rip the box open and find the red button, which you push, which transformed everything into normal size. And then Santa could get on his way and start delivering his gifts throughout the world.
Okay, and you did that a little bit. It's been a few hours now.
Yeah, it was the last couple days, the 22nd, 23rd. And the 20 were very hard, and I had to actually use a couple help clues. But we got through it.
We got through it. So Santa is saved. Christmas is saved. Santa is on his way. So let's again just show the box. And just in case anybody's interested in trying this advent calendar next year, they have different ones. Was it worth it, John?
It was a lot of work.
It was a lot of work. It was a lot of work.
A few bottles of wine to get through it.
Yeah, he's not lying, folks. Well, and I would say for, for those busy moms, maybe, who those kids are home for 2 weeks and you kind of want them out of your hair so you can get stuff done, send them off and let them do this. Keep them busy if you want them off those video games for a little while.
Yeah, but this is one of those calendars that you pretty much have to destroy to get to the solution. So
yeah, you only play it one time.
So you play it one time and it's pretty much destroyed, and then you enjoy the whole part of it and then throw it in the trash. And then there's always next year. There's
always next year. Yep. So let me show you one more thing. Here's two more of they're the Exit, the game. And these are not Christmas related, but you can buy these and play them any time of year. And they come in these small boxes. And they're similar to, they're little puzzles that you have to solve to win the game. And they're really fun. I mean, we've enjoyed them. They come in different levels. We've played several. The advent calendars, this is the first time we've done the advent calendar, and it was tough. But these are only a one-time deal. You play them one time and you throw it away, because you pretty much destroy the box when you're playing. So that's our advent calendar, and that'll hopefully give you an idea if you're looking for something different during the Christmas season. I don't know if we'll do it again. We'll see. Well, that's going to be Vlogmas Day 24, and we're going to keep it short and sweet. So John and I are going to hunker down for the evening. I know Santa will be stopping by here. Hopefully, I've been a good girl, but I don't know about him. So hopefully he's been a good boy. So Santa stops here. But we want to wish you a very Merry Christmas Eve, however you are celebrating it. And we'll be back tomorrow with our final day of Vlogmas, and we'll wrap up the season. So take good care and have a very blessed evening, and we'll see you tomorrow.